Hey guys, my name is Dion and welcome back to another NordVPN video. In this video, we're going to be doing a review and taking a detailed look at NordVPN. But first, why get a VPN? A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online. It creates an encrypted tunnel for your data and protects your online identity by hiding your IP address. VPNs also allow you to bypass internet restrictions and access content that is normally only available in specific countries. Today we're looking at NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most established and reputable VPNs out there and provides lots of features and support for a very compelling price. If you're interested in purchasing NordVPN, I will leave links in the description to the best possible offers for your plan. Let's dive in. NordVPN has over 5,400 servers in 59 countries all over the world. This is an incredibly expansive list to choose from. Moreover, NordVPN is supported on all major desktop and mobile operating systems, even supporting browser extensions and smart TVs. A feature I really like is the ability to connect up to 6 devices at any given time. I'll go over the different plans later in the video, but rest assured you can most likely support all of your devices at once under a single NordVPN account. Now, before we go into all of the features and tests, I want to quickly go over the user interface of the actual application itself. Now, in this case, we'll be running Nord on macOS, and you can see that right off the bat, we have a very inviting, simplistic, and visual interface. We have a world map that will visually show you exactly all the different locations that they have, and along the left, we'll have a list view of all the different countries that you can connect to, as well as any presets or specialty servers you may want to use. Overall, I find this to be a very easy to use application. The visual interface is inviting and very easy to navigate. I did mention though in a previous video that it would be nice to have some descriptions or info buttons around some of the many features that Nord offers. This is to allow new users to more quickly learn. Thankfully, their website though is full of useful resources. Alright, let's take a look at the speed test. Now, I've run several tests and put the data in this table. First off, we have the baseline, so this is the speed test results with no VPN connected. And as you can see, I average around 59 megabytes download and 5.3 megabytes upload. Using Quick Connect, where Nord finds what it believes to be the best server, in this case the UK, as I am based in the UK, you can see that speeds are very much retained, and you'll see this throughout the other speed tests. In this case, only seeing a very slight drop in download and upload speed, but this is only a difference of around 5%. We see even better results, for example Sweden and Israel, where there's only a 2% change. Further down in the US, I've connected to both East and West Coast and found the numbers to be very strong. In LA, for example, there is no drop at all in speeds. Finally, in Asia, I found even better results in Japan in particular, actually providing higher download speeds compared to the baseline. Of course, there are many factors and variables that affect these results, but the point is that if you're concerned in significant drops in performance, you can see that this is really not an issue with NordVPN. In fact, I found it to be among, if not the fastest overall VPN I've tried. NordVPN is well equipped for streaming. It unblocks many popular streaming services such as Disney+, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. Additionally, NordVPN can access Netflix libraries from around the world, including the US, UK, India, Japan, and South Korea. Now, briefly in terms of torrenting, this is possible with NordVPN. Torrents, however, aren't supported on all servers, but there are options that will work. NordVPN provides hundreds of P2P friendly servers in the US and the UK, as well as many other locations around the globe. Of course, one of the main reasons to use a VPN is privacy, so how does Nord stack up? Well, Nord scores very well with its strong encryption. It also regularly changes keys, ensuring that even if an attacker manages to penetrate a session, they will be locked out of the next. Once you're connected, NordVPN has other ways to even further protect your privacy through different protocols and specialty servers. Dedicated IP, for example, will still protect your identity, but does so from one single IP. This is particularly good if you're using apps such as online banking, where logging in from different IPs and different countries can cause security-related issues. Next is double VPN, and this essentially connects you through 2 servers. In essence, this makes your already very secure connection extra secure. This is great for certain high-risk situations, however this may also impact your browsing speeds. Obfuscated servers allow you to bypass internet restrictions. In essence, these hide the fact that you're using a VPN to reroute your traffic. This is ideal for using the internet in heavily restricted environments such as a country with local internet censorship. And P2P allows for file sharing between two people across the web. Instead of using one server to send files, the load is decentralized and distributed over many servers, thus allowing for a faster and more reliable file transfer. Onion over VPN essentially routes your traffic through Nord's own network and then directs it over the Onion network and onto its final destination. This double layer of obfuscation may affect performance slightly, but also provides an incredible level of protection. Not to mention, all of this works in the background. Let's take a look at Nord's logging policy. Now, NordVPN claims to have a strict no-logs policy that covers not only general logging of your internet activities, but also session logging details such as recording your incoming IP address when you're connected to the servers and the IP you're allocated. When other VPNs are saying no logging, they often carry out some sort of session logging, so it's good to see that NordVPN has actually ruled this out. Furthermore, NordVPN backs up these claims by inviting independent auditing firms to audit their no-logging policy, from which the reports conclude that Nord's logging policy description is accurate. This is all very important and reassuring to know. It means that NordVPN has far more evidence to support their no-logging claims than most other VPN providers. So how secure is NordVPN? Well, I found NordVPN to be impressively secure. One of its key features in this area is an integrated kill switch. A kill switch is in place to prevent any data leaks in case the VPN connection drops. NordVPN stands out here by actually having two kill switches. The first is a general internet kill switch to block all net access when you're not connected to a VPN. This of course can also be turned off if you find it inconvenient. But secondly, it also has an app kill switch, which closes the chosen application or applications in case the connection goes down. In terms of customer support, I was impressed with Nord's expansive list of online resources that for me answered most of my questions in the event that I needed to look something up. You can also sort articles by category and search by keyword. Again, in the future, I would love to see some of these resources incorporated directly into the app to make it easier to find for the user. There are also video tutorials which are easy to follow. If, however, you weren't able to find an answer to your question, Nord offers a live chat that responds very quickly. A key highlight that really stood out to me personally is NordVPN's charity work. They work with non-profits such as Amnesty International and Deutsche Welle. They even support the Internet Freedom Festival, TEDx, and the European Journalism Center, to name a few. Okay, so now that we've looked at some of the key features that NordVPN offers, let's explore the plans. Now, Nord offers a range of plans at different price points depending on the length of plan you choose. For example, the 2-year plan will give you the best value. But again, I will leave special links in the description that will give you the best possible offer. So if you're interested in signing up, be sure to click the links in the description. At the end of the day, I can highly recommend NordVPN as the all-around best VPN. It offers an extensive list of servers, has great apps, features, and supports all major devices. Additionally, its security and privacy claims are backed up and proven by independent companies. Overall, it is a polished and professional service which will deliver good results for most users. If you have any questions, please share them in the comment section, and if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.